Menteri Sarkar kami berim ubah nak seng Kongres usacin pilot ubah dairu sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jala Rajasthan hak jingwan banyalap election nak bentaki kertong ke Parti Kongres hak Jala Meghalaya ulah takran kelaya barok kisang san partai badan lang hak ni ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Habakran hak jingwan ïalap election nak bentau kertong kan 17 North Shillong usacin ulaang. Begini ki parti ke badan lang hak MDA menta andala jan ke election kilaya kawang kti iwe pat bat kani kalong tang ban pen biye yau pat ba.
But no one is taking responsibility of the last 5 years of what happened in Shillong and in Meghalaya. On 27th of February, you all have to cast your vote. I think it's important to understand that the Congress has given many young people opportunity to become candidates this time, and JA Lyngdoh ji is an experienced person who's worked amongst you. Therefore, I'm requesting all of you to vote for the Congress party so that those who had the power in Shillong and Delhi, they can be made accountable. I want to ask the leaders of BJP, when you had a government in Delhi, you had a government in Shillong, what report cards do you have to show in this state? Except for sharing power, except for aligning with people for the sake of coming to power, they have nothing to show. This double engine government that the BJP boasts of everywhere, they have zero performance in the state. This is an important election. All of you have to think of the 5 years ahead for our future, for our generation of young people. Therefore, this is a time where we must not waste our vote and come together, vote for the Congress party and we form the government on polling day on 27th of February. We have in our manifesto committed ourselves to creating jobs, to enhancing tourism, to eradicate the problem of drugs, to make this state a model state. The entire Northeast, Meghalaya has a special place, and the Congress party and the state of Meghalaya and the people of this state have had a long association of generations of decades. That association cannot be erased. Therefore, I call upon you, आप अपने आप में सोच कर देखो कि पिछले 5 साल में जो बीजेपी ने वादे किए थे, केंद्र की सरकार ने और इस प्रदेश की सरकार ने कितना काम किया. आज पेट्रोल का दाम क्या है, डीजल का दाम क्या है, एलपीजी का दाम क्या है, इन सब बातों को ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा. और मैं समझता हूँ हम लोगों ने जो वादा किया है कि हम करप्शन को हटाएंगे, फ्री हेल्थ केयर देंगे, एलपीजी के सिलेंडर प्रोवाइड करेंगे, और हमने जो मैनिफेस्टो में कहा है, whatever we've committed in the manifesto, we will deliver, because we have a long history of delivering on what we committed. Therefore, please, many parties are taking part in this election, some new, some old. You know all the leaders, you know all the parties. There is one party that is the oldest, that is the strongest, that has a long association with the state of Meghalaya and the people of the state. We must rise above our caste, region, religion, language, ethnicity, come together and vote in your government. I can assure you, once the Congress forms a government here, a new beginning will happen in the state. Young people will find more opportunities. The talent and potential that people have in this state will be fully exploited to benefit the economy and the welfare of the state of Meghalaya. So this election, like in many other states we are fighting, Congress party will do extremely well, but we need your support and blessings. Therefore, especially for women and young children, young people, this is your election, this is your future. We have given you what our plan is for next 5 years. आप सब पर भरोसा हम लोगों को है. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हाथ के निशान पर, on the symbol of the hand, on 27th, you must all come forward and give a thumping majority, not just to Mr. Lyngdoh, but to all our candidates across the state. I wish you all the very best, wish you all the luck, may your path be blessed, and may God keep you ever smiling and happy. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. जय हिंद.
That you have visited Shillong, and especially at this particular time when the election mood is with the people of the state of Meghalaya. So thank you very much for this, and I do hope your message, your speech today will go not only to the 17 of Shillong, but it will go to every part of the state of Meghalaya, and that message will be for the Congress party. Congress party this time will come back to power. मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करने चाहता है, ये बार at least we have हम लोग कसरत में सचिन पायलट राजस्थान से यहाँ तक मैं आ गया पहुँच गया। तो अच्छा से सुनिए क्या सचिन पायलट आपको बताने आया और ये इलेक्शन के लिए क्या आप लोग करने पड़ेगा सबका साथ for the people of the state of Meghalaya and especially for the 17 North Shillong constituency. So, and may I also request such a same badong ifi by yakaneka government kabalong full of corruption deban wagno yakasis nan haka abnyo trek mentog benai baba ka sarkar batmai kaman ka congress ngayang nge banong ifi banda pripay nang ni lepay banyalam bagi central leaders kirawan nagamta ban ay yakijik kesyan sa simbiang yakaseng congress of MDA government कौन से पार्टी ये एमडीए गवर्नमेंट आप बताइए हमको सबको कौन है पार्टी एमडीए गवर्नमेंट एनपीपी जोर से बोलिए ना एनपीपी ये बार 27 तारीख में हम आपको रिक्वेस्ट करने आया ये पार्टी तीनों पार्टी हटाने पड़ेगा मेघालय से और कांग्रेस और एक बार जरूर आएगा तो वोट फॉर कांग्रेस थैंक यू सचिन पायलट सर आई थिंक वी विल नॉट डिले बिकॉज योर फ्लाइट आल्सो
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, corruption-free Meghalaya, by bringing in new transparency law against corruption with total transparency in all state government dealing.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya TMC kawan rak shapi ya ka mai kan anda ka TMC kan thau sarkar ka Meghalaya TMC kan pinmi lailak teli ki kam hapo kini kisan senam manwan berkum juru ban ajing rap pisa ka belong sihajar tika si benai kata khat arjar tika si senam ka barok ki samla ki bampat don ni ka kam ka jam
hakane ka ap nyau trek urumphang jon ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC
BJP promises to fast-track Meghalaya's development by upgrading and modernizing all roads and allocating funds of Rs 2,200 crore to transform Meghalaya's villages. This 27th February, vote for a stronger BJP for a stronger Meghalaya.